Hey there, so today I have a product to show you, and this is called Combo Cracker. It's a device that can break into a massive combination lock in 20 tries or less. So it uses an algorithm to find out the combination of the lock based on a certain vulnerability that's well known throughout the internet, which I'll show you right now. Okay, so here is the lock itself. So the certain vulnerabilities rely on the resistance points and on certain points in which the shackle, this part, will fully lock into the inner rings. There are 3 inner rings stacked like this inside of the lock, and since they're all the same, it leaves it very vulnerable. So if we pull up the shackle halfway, just a little bit, and you start to turn it, you'll see that it clicks at 28. That's our first resistance point. That's our only resistance point. Next, you go to 0 and you pull up all the way to the top, full force, lock it out, and you cross it. And this crosses 1, and then it crosses 4. If it doesn't cross, so like if you look here, from 7 to 8, it's contained between them. That's not going to be a resistance point. But since this one crosses 1 completely, and crosses 4 completely, those are our next locking points. So then we can enter that into the machine. Here are the SolidWorks files that I designed for the Combo Cracker. Up here is the case in which all the electronics are held. So on this side, in the actual part, there's a lithium-ion battery. On here, there is a circuitry board, an Arduino Nano. Here sits the stepper motor, and then in here is the cup that holds the lock, and the lock sits here. So here's the Combo Cracker. It's got an LCD display on the top with a rotary encoder, an Arduino Nano on one side, a lithium-ion battery on the other side, and an array of chips to control the stepper motor. The stepper motor is right there, and there's a cup right there that will hold the dial of the lock. And this hole right here, this hole cut out, it fits the lock perfectly and really snug so it won't fall out. It's also designed to fit up right against a locker, like a school locker. And then you can just try the lock by pulling down the whole machine. So that was Combo Cracker. If you have any questions or want any further information about Combo Cracker, you can leave in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.